Hey everybody, just wanted to say thank you so much for the huge outpouring of love and support that I have received from you on YouTube and in the Facebook group, my Facebook group, and on my Facebook page. Just loads and loads of love and support and prayers from everybody. And I am on the mend. I need me a haircut, that's for sure. So yeah, ignore the nasty hair, but I'm feeling better. I just have a little tiny cough, but it's been over 3 weeks since my first symptoms started with COVID, and I was really blessed to have very mild symptoms that didn't hang around. And I know people still say, even after COVID, to play it safe and lay low for a while, and that's what I'm trying to do. But I feel okay, so I'm not out running marathons or anything. I'll never do that anyway. This girl is going to stay right here. But I'm feeling good enough to create art again, and that's a good thing, because when I had COVID for a couple of weeks, I didn't even want to draw or doodle or anything. So I am just happy to feel like the creative juices have started flowing again. So you've seen me post some abstract pieces just playing around. That's just been to kind of warm me up and get me back into that creative mojo. And the ones that I've done have been this one here, which is a mixed media piece, which I had a lot of fun with. I love attempting to do abstract art, but it's kind of hard for me. It is not as easy as you think it is. And this is no masterpiece by any means, but I had fun doing it. And then I posted this one. There's a video of me doing this one, which is gouache and paint markers. And I think the one I put out today is markers and paint pens. Got some little gold accents going on there. Just doodling, just having fun doodling. This, and then I took Heather Mader's alcohol ink class, and she has a beautiful style that she's developed, and she's making her own creative, unique style of alcohol ink pieces that are just beautiful. And I don't even have a smidge of her talent in that direction. I've got an air compressor and airbrush that I haven't even taken out of the box. So I've just been kind of dropping it onto Yupo paper to see what can happen. And I made this really ugly piece that's underneath what I drew on top of it. It just looked like a big hot mess, but I went over it with paint pens. And so this video will be out tomorrow. And that's alcohol inks on Yupo paper. And Yupo paper is kind of like a plastic paper. It's made, for alcohol inks and that kind of thing. Isn't that a pretty piece? I bought that little piece from an artist named Dana Marie. She's in my Facebook group, and she's a really super talented artist. And she painted those poppies, and when I saw that, I had to have it because I'm a flower girl. So I'm excited to have it. But just want to say thank you for your support, that I am on the mend. Greg got COVID a week after I did, and so he's a week behind me, and he's still feeling pretty wiped out, because for us, the COVID, the biggest thing that we felt was like you have no energy at all. I had body aches for a little while, and one night where I was pretty nauseated, but I think that's results from having the gastric bypass, not actually from COVID, but who knows. And a few sniffles, a little bit of a scratchy throat, and then it was gone. And so the only thing I have left is a little bit of a cough, and just, not overdoing it, because when you start to feel tired, then you're just like wiped out. So that's been the biggest thing for us, is just feeling wiped out. But I went and had an infusion because I was a high risk because I'm 57 and I have a high heart rate, which I take medicine for. And so because of the heart rate and my age and history with weight loss and so forth, my mother had a heart attack, a stroke, and my sisters had heart surgery. So because of my history, they allowed me to get a transfusion that's supposed to boost your immune system. And then I also purchased some mega vitamins that have the vitamin D and zinc and elderberry and ginger and all this stuff in it that's supposed to be super good for boosting your immune system. So I think between all of that, that's really, really helped me a lot to feel kind of normal again. So I've got some commission pieces, some resin stuff, and yes, I'm going to keep doing that resin because I'm really enjoying it, and I will be doing more acrylic pouring in the future, I promise. Just right now, my table is full with resin stuff and that kind of mess, and I've got some, commission pieces to do, but I will do some acrylic pouring, so don't give up on me. I will get back to that a bit. And I'm also going to be doing some Shelly blooms with Boom Gel. I've got the Boom Gel now and some this Little Piggy pigments, and I'm going to try those out and do a video for you on that because I'm always pursuing the Shelly Bloom technique. I love it. So I didn't want this to be a long video, but I just wanted to give my love to everyone, say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You made me feel so wonderful while I felt so bad having COVID. And I just thank you for your love and support. And I hope to keep encouraging you and inspiring you with more art in the future. And comment below, because YouTube likes comments. They like interaction between you and your followers. So make a comment, and if there's something you want to see me do specifically, put it in the comment. And then I will make a list, and I'll try to knock it out over the next few months if I can. So thank you so much. I love you all. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you've clicked on the notifications bell, and it will tell you when I've got new videos out, supposedly. We often wonder if YouTube really puts the notifications out to people, because I know that I have tons of subscriptions to artists I love, and I don't always get notifications. So that's one of the YouTube issues. But make sure to always like and try to comment on a video on my channel or anybody's channel and interact with them, because YouTube likes to follow those algorithms. I said algorithms. That has more interest in it. Algorithm. Boom, 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 boom. You can tell I'm feeling better, right? My hair looks like crap, but I do feel better. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.